Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a lace wig, and this one is from Shein, 100% human hair. Let's go ahead and dip right into the box and see what we got with this wig. So I got this wig cap. I believe it's two of them in the pack, and then the wig, of course. So this is gonna be a brown blonde wig. It's not pre-bleach, and it's also like a 4x4. Has two clips in the sides, one in the top, and also one in the back of it. Since the wig is a 4x4 lace wig, I really don't have to do much to it. I won't have to pluck it. It's pre-plucked. The parting is pre-plucked also. And I also believe this wig can be worn without gluing it on. I absolutely love the colors in it. It is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation onto the lace, and I'm also going to add some foundation onto my stocking cap just to tone the color down a little bit and make them, match my skin tone a little bit more. Now this is what the lace looks like after I apply the foundation on it. The next thing I'm going to do is put it on my mannequin head to straighten it and make it look really nice. I'm going to be using my edge wax stick on it, but I like to apply it onto my hand before applying it onto the hair. I don't like to put it on the hair directly, especially when it's straight hair like this. I don't want to get it too flat, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just use my hand to apply it onto the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the entire thing, and I'm gonna speed it up because all I'm doing is straightening the hair. I'm not really doing anything extra, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up so we could get through it quickly. Now I'm gonna add some of the edge wax stick directly on the hair, mainly around the parting, just to hold the hair down so it will stay looking nice and neat. I then went over it with my straighten comb, and that is gonna help to lay the hair down nice and flat. I'm cleaning off my skin where I'm going to be putting the lace down. This will help the gel that I'm going to be using to hold onto my skin and to the lace much better. So now I'm going to put the wig on because I cannot wait to see what it looks like on me. And immediately I saw that this wig was the bomb. Do you hear me? I really love the way it looked. I love the color. I just love everything about it as soon as I put it on. And like I said, I could get away with wearing this glueless, but I did not wear glueless because it did not have an elastic band in it, so I feel like it wouldn't be tight enough. So this is the reason why I use my gel to hold it down onto my skin. I'm actually not going to be using the gel. I'm using the Ebin spray instead. I did use the gel, just so you know, when I cut the lace off, just to hold down the little extra pieces of laces. You know what I mean? But that's as much gel that I use on it. So I dry it down a little bit with my blow dryer before I put the lace down. After putting the lace down, I continue to dry it some more with my blow dryer. Here I'm just combing the hair back a little bit because I'm going to be tying an elastic band on the front of it so the lace could completely dry. While I'm waiting for the lace to completely dry, I'm gonna use my hot comb to go back over the parting and around the edges at the front, just to lay the hair down some more now that I'm wearing it. I'm also gonna go over just the front with my flat iron. I'm not gonna be going over too much of it. And I'm also gonna use my scissors and trim around the front area some, just so the hair can frame my face a little bit. And now you can see how much better the hair looked that I trim it up a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band off and cut my lace off. Here I'm using my Got To Be Glued gel, styling gel on the lace just to prevent any lifting. This is just gonna melt it in and make it look so much better. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer to dry it. I also went ahead and did some baby hair. I don't know how I didn't get that on camera, but I really don't know what happened. So here we are, just drying them. I'm also going to tie them down and leave them to completely dry using this elastic band. And while they're drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Here it is, guys, the finished look. Of course, I absolutely love the way this hair comes out. I love the length. It is not too long, not too short. It's just perfect for the summer. Another thing I really love about this hair is the color. Look at that color. It is so beautiful. The hair does not shred, it does not tangle, none of that bad stuff. It's all good stuff around here. You hear me? Shein got some really good hair. You should check them out. The wig was super easy to go on. As you could see, it was not too much work putting it on. I think the hardest thing I did, or the thing that took the longest, was straightening the hair, but it was worth it because it looks so good straight like that. And you definitely want your hair to look nice and straight when you get it, so definitely put in the work if you need to. I mean, I would. I don't mind doing that because I want my hair to look good. Once again, guys, the hair is from Shein. Of course, they sell beautiful human hair. They have glueless wigs, they got all kind of lace wigs, so definitely go and check them out. And I will be leaving all the information down below in the description box so you guys could easily find what you're looking for. I also have a discount code which I will be leaving on the screen and also in the description box for you guys, so do check that out. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, go ahead and leave them down in the comment box and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!